Hey guys, Farah here and you're watching Filipino VA Guides VA Tip of the Day. And today's VA tip is... Now, pag naghahanap po kayo ng trabaho bilang virtual assistant, there are certain things that you need to pay attention sa mga job ads na nakikita nyo online. Now, the first thing that you have to pay attention to is the job details. Now, majority of the clients that you will see online would actually exactly know what they want out of a VA. So, kailangan nyo pong basahin ng maigi ang mga job details. So, if you are confident na kaya nyo pong gawin yung job details ng requirement ng client, is of course, then you are more than welcome to apply for that particular job post. Now, the second thing that you need to pay attention to is of course the job requirements. Now, most online clients knows exactly what they want out of their VA in terms of knowledge and skill set. Now, if you are very sure 100% na kayang-kaya mo tong job na to, edi sige, go! Apply ka! Pero, pag wala ka man lang skill set or knowledge dun sa job requirement ng job ad na yon, please, parang awa nyo na. Huwag na po kayo mag-apply. Magsasayang lang kayo ng laway. Okay? Now, the third thing that you need to pay attention to online job descriptions or yung mga virtual job descriptions is that you also have to check the budget. Ngayon, there are certain ads kasi, mga certain job vacancies na okay yung details, okay yung requirements, biglang ang budget, ay Diyos ko, grabe, daig nyo pa ang construction laborer. Huwag naman po kayo tumanggap ng sobrang baba na mga VA jobs for you, no? For you as your online work. These are just the 3 things that you need to pay attention to, which are the job details, the job requirements, and the budget of that client. So if you're looking for further training as a virtual assistant, please come and join to the only Filipino virtual assistant training membership site dito sa Pilipinas. Just head on over to www.filipinovaguide.com.